Guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm back with two of these vases that I picked up at Dollar Tree to create some DIYs. Now, I have been wrestling with so many different ideas. There's so many things I want to do with these two different vases. I don't know, it's just been really hard for me to choose, so let's get started. Now, with this first vase, what I want to do is add some crushed glass to it. It's been a minute since I used crushed glass, and I found this crushed glass at Dollar General for only $3. The only difference that I see with this crushed glass and the other one is bigger chunks, but I'm curious as to what the chunky crushed glass might look like, so maybe this is a test vase. So yeah, but again, Dollar General for $3. I have some of my diamond bling, and I have some mirror tiles. So I'm going to get started. First thing I want to do is cut some individual rows of the diamond bling, maybe two at a time. So what I'm going to do is take these first two rows of bling and put them around the top. Now before I do that, let's do this. Let's add a little bit of Wicked Stick It. Even though this has adhesive on the back, the ends tend to peel up sometimes, so let's just go ahead and put some Wicked Stick It. And I do have a discount code with them, guys, if you want to try it. I'll leave a link to the website and a code for the discount. So let's give this a moment to get tacky, and then we'll come back and start adding these strips on. Okay guys, so it's pretty tacky now, so let's go ahead and put our first two rows on here. Just go right around the rim. I'll take some mirror towel and just take about, we'll do one row at a time. Fold this back and just cut it. And just do the same exact thing. You want to push it right up against the bling. I need to, I'll take one strip of the bling and put it between there. So now I'm going to go in with two more rows of the bling. So now we have this. Isn't that pretty? So now I think I want to add 3 more rows of the mirror towel. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more of my Wicked Stick It. Again, I'll let that set up. I'm going to go ahead and cut my individual rows of mirror towel and then come back. Okay. So now I am going to put 2 more rows of bling around the bottom. I'm done doing that. Now, instead of just filling this up with the crushed glass, maybe we can do some lines. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my Wicked Stick It and make some lines. Let's lay down our first strip of mirror. Try and keep it straight as possible. Okay, this is what we have so far. So I'm just gonna do the rest off camera and then come back. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is what it looks like. Really, I could come up with other looks without using the crushed glass. But yeah, I like that, it's really pretty. Now, I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna add 2 rows of the bling around the base. Just closing off wherever the towel ends. Because the mirror towel is different sizes, it won't be perfectly even, but that's okay. Just go around it and try and make it look even. You can pull up on it or push down on it, it's up to you. Do whatever it needs to make it look even. So yeah, that'll give it a more finished look. Now, again, I'm going to use my crushed glass. Okay guys, so I'm back with my little setup here. I have my bowl. I'm going to put my crushed glass inside the bowl. I really prefer a box, but I don't have one. I have my mask because I'm going to use my UV resin, and I'm going to pour some in this cup. I'm going to put this down to protect my surface. And I'll just add more UV resin to that when I need to. Found these little cups at Dollar Tree, and they come with little lids. So I have this ready. I have my little spatula. Again, I don't have a brush that I'm willing to get rid of right now. So I have my air purifier. I'm gonna put on my mask. Oh, and I have my UV light. So what I'm going to do is take my spatula and dip it into the UV resin. Hold the vase over here. Put on my crushed glass and then set it with my UV light. I have a whole little setup going right here. You can see the light reflecting on the background. So that's ready. So let me put my mask on and get started. Let me just do this. Let's try this. All right, now let's set this on here. Okay, so I pulled off 2 pieces of the mirror towel, and I'll just replace that before I go into the next section. And then you can see some really small spaces. I'll take a small paintbrush and then just go in and add some more UV resin, and then put more of the crushed glass on top of it. Pretty cool. Okay guys, so I'm back and here's what it looks like. I do like the look of the larger crushed glass. It's really pretty. Even like that vessel look, it's going to be really pretty when I light it up. Now, what I'm going to do is put this outside and let it get some natural UV from the sky and let that continue to set up. But before I do that, I want to show you the base. I found this at Goodwill or some thrift store around Christmas time whenever I was making my crystal Christmas trees. If you guys haven't seen those videos, I'll link them below. And I'm going to flip this upside down. And I also found this at Dollar Tree. This is a candle holder. You can use a votive or a taper. So what I want to do is glue these two together. And it's a little bit too small. So I have one of these clear discs. It does have a hole in it, but don't worry, that won't be seen. I'm just going to go ahead and take off the covering. So I'm going to take my Gorilla Glue, put some right on the perimeter. Let me just take both sides off. Now I'm just going to center this. Just like that. And I'm going to sit it like that so the weight will be on top. And now I have a smaller disc that I'm going to glue onto here. Go ahead and remove the protective covering. And then put this on top. I'm going to let these pieces dry for a few hours and then I'll come back and connect the 2 pieces. Okay guys, so it has been about 2 hours and sticking on it pretty good. So what I want to do now is add another piece on top of this one. So again, I'm going to take my Gorilla Glue and go around the rim. Now I could just glue this to whatever piece like this, but I want more surface to glue them together, if that makes sense to you. Rather than just a ring, when I put this on here, I have that whole circle to glue to the other piece. And I'll link these acrylic discs below so you can find them. So now I'm going to flip this one over so the weight is on top. Just turn it a little bit to distribute the glue. So now I will allow this part to dry. And then when I come back, we'll go ahead and put everything together. I'm back and it has been about 3 hours. So we have this piece here that we glued on here. We have a smaller one on the bottom, and then we have this one. Now, if you decide to recreate this look, you can find these at Dollar Tree. Again, I found this particular cup at Goodwill. So check out your thrift store for a similar cup. cup, punch bowl cup would be perfect, okay? Maybe even check your cabinet. You might have something that you're not using anymore. Just be creative, okay? So again, we're going to take our Gorilla Glue and put some on the base. So now I can just go all the way around. So now I'm just going to hold this up and eyeball it. Trying to make sure it's directly in the middle. That's looking pretty darn good. So now I will allow this to set for about 3 hours. Then I'll come back in and add our top piece on. Okay guys, so back to our two pieces. We have our base and we have our top. So what I'm going to do now is glue this right on top. So I'm going to take my Gorilla Glue all across the surface. And now let's put our candle holder right on top. Let's put it on the spinner to see if it's even. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So of course I'm going to let the glue set up for a while and then I'll come back in, accent the back with my candle holder. This is quite large and I love it. So if some of you are looking for candle holders for your mantle, this is perfect for it. So yeah, so I'm back to add some decorations to the base. So here I have some bling that I ordered and it just came in yesterday. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is take a piece and put it right around the middle. And the reason that I like this so much for this candle holder is because it kind of looks the same, right? So we want to kind of incorporate that look into the base. So let's just go ahead and put it in place. This is gonna be the back. So let's just get that on there. So now I think I want to add some mirror in here. 3 rows is going to be too much, so let's go with 2 rows. Okay, let's just put that right in the center. So I'm going to put 1 row of mirror towel here, and then I'm going to take some of my diamond bling and put 1 row here and here, below and above. I'll do that off camera and then come back. Everyone, I completed the base. So I did put some of the diamond bling above and below the mirror towel. I went ahead and put some mirror 1 row on that large disc that I have here. So the 1 mirror towel that I wanted to put here did not fit. So I just went ahead and used 2 rows of the diamond bling. But yeah, I think I might do 1 more row of diamond bling around the base. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, light this up and come back and let you guys see what it looks like. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll be showing you how to decorate the same vase in a totally different color and style. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. If you don't have time to comment, please leave your favorite emoji. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching.